I just spent the last 10 years in graduate school where I studied everything I could about the psychology of well-being and human potential. Keri is one of the most impressive, dynamic, caring, ambitious, hardworking, and just dedicated people I've ever met. I mean, as a woman, she is just such a powerhouse and yet so warm and affectionate and invested in her own growth. I've never actually had a teacher or a mentor that is as impressive and as inspiring, and just even the caring part is really what sets her apart from everyone else I've come across in this field. So she's really in a class of her own. So the nutrition school was so multifaceted, but really it involved a lot of education. So it gave us the actual science of nutrition and really walking us through the details of what the different macro and micronutrients are, what people need. And of course there are videos, there are exercises, there are quizzes, and there are amazing downloadable templates that we can then all use in our own practice, which was one of the most valuable aspects of it. In addition to just providing us information, Keri really helps us figure out the psychology of people, how to motivate people. And then of course there's the instruction in how to actually guide people through the process, because there's the information on the one hand and then there's the how-to on the other hand, and a lot of times you get one or the other, but Keri really gives you both. The community of the nutrition school is certainly one of the best parts of it. You're just with a number of like-minded, really motivated, hardworking people that just want to make a difference in the world. So it's almost like the hive mind mentality, really having this community, we can actually draw on everyone else's expertise. And I think because people get so much, they also give so much back. People really go above and beyond the base level of expectations in delivering and supporting one another.